So we'll start this practice by bringing the short edge of your mat up against a wall. This practice will be very restorative and not a lot of movement going on here. So think of this more so like a meditation. Have a seat on your mat, sitting your hip all the way up against the wall, knees bent, hands back behind you for support. Lower down to your elbows first and then swing your legs up against the wall. You can scooch and adjust however you need to make sure that your cheeks get as close to the wall as possible, so no space between your glutes and the wall. You can make any adjustments that you need to get comfortable. Sometimes a blanket over your body or a pillow behind your head feels really good. And another option is that if your hamstrings are really tight, sometimes it feels better to bend both knees and bring the soles of your feet together for this shape. So however you feel most comfortable, resting your palms perhaps on your belly and your chest. Rest your eyes and just drop into your breath. Ground down and take 3 deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, beginning to cleanse, clear, and release. Gently allowing your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Just allow your awareness to rest on your breath. Just taking the next few moments to align with that natural rhythmic flow. Feeling into the breath as it moves throughout the body. With each exhalation, dropping into a deeper state of calm. Relaxation flooding your body with each full and complete exhale. Be mindful not to resist any sounds. Or thoughts that may arise momentarily. Just acknowledge them. Allow them to float by, gently bringing your awareness back to your breath. When you're ready, you can hug both knees into your chest and roll to one side. Gently lifting yourself back up to a seat. Taking any stretches or movement that feels good to you. It's the end of our practice for today. I hope you all stay safe and be well.